Well, we're also getting reactions from not just the government, but also from the BJP across the board. There has been a huge welcome to this decision from President Pranab Mukherjee. Let's listen into some more political reactions that are coming in.
Well, essentially, I think at this point in time, what is really important and what needs to be underscored, what needs to be underlined, is that a very dastardly terrorist attack took place. Innocent people lost their lives. There was a fair investigative process which culminated in a 3-tier judicial process. At the end of the day, the law has taken its own course. The larger message is that if at all there is a terrorist incident or a terrorist attack which is perpetrated, those people who are responsible would be brought to justice.
Today Ajmal Kasab has been hanged. The punishment could be meted out after more than 4 years of the dastardly terrorist attack in Mumbai, where hundreds of innocents were killed. Today is the occasion to reinforce the country's commitment in the fight against terror. And sadly, we have to note that all the handlers, all the patrons, all the conspirators of the attack on Mumbai still remain at large in Pakistan. And regardless of dozens of dossiers being given by the government of India to Pakistan, no tangible action has been taken except pro forma compliance. We need to recognize that all of us want a good relationship with Pakistan, but taking action against terrorists meaningfully and tangibly remains the most important stumbling block. And the government of India needs to understand that not only the victims and their families, but also the people of the country want that all those who are accused and were the conspirators who executed it, those outside the establishment of Pakistan and some of them who were part of establishment, action needs to be taken.
It's a good news that Kasab has been hanged. He attacked India. He, along with 10 terrorists, attacked the very sovereignty and idea of India. And that is why we must show to the world that yes, if you commit something here and you attack India, this is what you will receive. And that is what has happened today. And we expect that Afzal's petition also will meet the same fate, and people will, because we have to give a strong message that attack on India will not be tolerated.
Ajmal Kasab hanged at 7:30 a.m. this morning. This decisive action taken by the government and specifically President Pranab Mukherjee is being welcomed across the political spectrum. Let's listen into Member of Parliament and Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut.
शिव सेना बहुत खुश है. अगर शिवसेना प्रमुख आज जीवित होते तो सबसे ज्यादा खुश होते, आनंदी होते. लेकिन मैं इतना ही कहूंगा मेरी पार्टी की तरफ से, ये सरकार ने शिवसेना प्रमुख को दी हुई सबसे बड़ी श्रद्धांजलि है. उससे बड़ी श्रद्धांजलि कुछ नहीं हो सकती बाला साहब जैसे एक राष्ट्रभक्त के लिए. क्योंकि हमेशा से शिवसेना प्रमुख ने एक ही मांग जिंदगी में की 4 साल में. जब भी उनसे कोई मिलने आता था, फिर प्रणब मुखर्जी हो, केंद्रीय मंत्री हो, केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री हो, कोई कांग्रेस का बड़ा नेता हो, महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री हो या महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री हो, जब भी कोई साहब को मिलने जाता तो साहब से सामने आती एक बात पूछते, मुझे बताइए कसाब को फांसी कब दोगे? आप उसको अब तक क्यों जिंदा रखा है? वो आपका कौन लगता है कसाब? इसलिए कि बाला साहब बताना चाहते थे कि ये देश मर्दों का, वीरों का देश है, शूरों का देश है और राष्ट्रभक्तों का देश है. आज कसाब को फांसी हुई है तो मुझे लगता है कि अजबाला साहब की आत्मा भी बहुत खुश होकर शांत होती।
और ऐसे आतंकवाद की फैक्ट्री और उनके आकाओं के लिए भी इस तरह के फैसले कड़ी चेतावनी और सबक हैं। मैं मानता हूं कि देश अपेक्षा करता था कि जल्द से जल्द ऐसी पापियों को, ऐसे गुनाहगारों को जो कि देश के दुश्मन थे, उनके खिलाफ कड़े कदम उठाने चाहिए और कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। इसीलिए हमने कहा कि देर आए दुरुस्त आए, और भी जो मामले हैं उनमें भी सरकार को उसी तरह की कड़ाई और उसी तरह की तत्परता बरतने की जरूरत है।